everybody, and welcome to Extreme Cooking Channel #1.
Okay.
So I'm sorry that you don't see my friend Jack today, but on episode 2 we will be introducing him. So today we are going to be making some of my world famous Hailey and my friend Jack's world famous bubbly pizza. And not my brother Jack's.
Not your brother Jack.
Yeah, what you're gonna need is some Hunt's tomato sauce, bubbly creamy mozzarella cheese, shredded, of course. And that is all. And also an oven. You will also need an oven and learn how to control kids. It will actually be pretty easy to learn how to control an oven because I finally have learned how and know how.
Do you know how to open up the package, ma'am?
Yes, I will get the scissors. Okay. I will be getting the scissors, and now cut. Now you see that little cut. Now you whip it open. And now see. Oh, looks like there are 2 pizzas here, but we are only gonna do one because today we're just gonna do one. And we are gonna choose the back pizza. This is our back pizza we are gonna be eating. Now, first things first, I am now gonna get a spoon. A good big spoon for this. And for using the sauce. And now let's get the spoon. Get some sauce, tomato sauce.
Ma'am, why don't you move the sauce a little closer to the, there you go.
The Hunter's tomato sauce is kind of a little soggy. And now I'm going to spread around the pizza just like that. Just keep spreading and spreading and spreading until we can get as much sauce spread around. Now I have a secret ingredient, and it is less sauce. You want more, lots of cheese, lots. The gallons of cheese. Well, no, not gallons of cheese. There's only 2 cheese. You want it to be when you don't want it to be two cheese. I'm ready. I'm making a mess. But whatever. Clean it up. It has a sauce. A little sour, but I bet at the end it's gonna be good. Now, that's enough sauce. Now, next thing is we're going to use our creamy mozzarella cheese for the pizza. And also, don't forget, you need to wash your hands before start cooking. And I accidentally forgot that, but don't worry. And I'm just for quick, I'm just going to use some hand sanitizer. And let's get the hand sanitizer. Hand sanitize me. And I accidentally dropped the hand sanitizer, but don't worry, everyone can make mistakes. So now, let's get on the cheese. This is where you actually have to use your hand.
Hand sanitize hands.
Yeah, I hope
Now,
so, boys.
this will be clean cheese. We were just touching this bit, so we weren't actually touching the actual sauce. So it won't be a germy. So it won't be a germy food. Yeah.
German food?
Before you start like cooking or anything, make sure you wash your hands, or at least put hand sanitizer on before you start cooking. I forgot that #1 rule, but that's okay because I'm only kind of a starter on this. But I still know how to use an oven.
So where are you going to put that now, Hailey?
Now we will get a pizza. Okay, let's see.
A good one.
Here, I'll get this one.
Ta-da!
Well,
And now, let's get our my friend Jack's
they're really good.
world famous bubbly pizza, and get it and snap it
looks
into
like that.
the oven.
This one?
Can you put it in the oven yet? Look out behind you, Joanne.
Oh, sorry. It's hot, man.
I know.
Just be careful. Be careful.
Let's put on our oven mitts. Now that pizza won't fall, so let's put in the pizza. Now do it.
No, there isn't. That's okay.
Don't worry about your little hands, Mimi. I'm gonna be doing
Hailey, you better close that up. You're letting all the heat out.
Hailey style. And now let's put this in.
And close it up.
Now
You want salad?
close
It's right there.
it up.
Do you want bread? I mean, I have Jack's bread.
Close this up.
Okay, now turn around and say how long it's going to be, because I'm not going to keep it going.
It's gonna be on bake, right, Mimi?
What?
It's gonna be on bake.
It's on bake, and you have to set your timer.
And now
Set your timer for like 8 minutes.
Okay. Okay, Mimi did the timer.
Okay, so turn around and tell me how much longer.
So we're just gonna have to be waiting for, I guess, 8 minutes.
Okay, say goodbye.
So, goodbye.
Goodbye.